don't know about that, but on Christmas Eve, we had a lot of Christmas trains coming in. Philadelphia and New York. That's well, it's not good.
What are you?
Here's the floor. Next way.
Oh my Lord. Big jokester.
He's got a sore throat tomorrow.
Good Lord, boy. He just can't quite get that leg over.
He's gonna land on his head.
Hey, bag.
Is he done with his
I think so.
episode?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
My goodness gracious.
There he goes again. He's gonna land on his face. Oh! Oh, look at that! He's over!
Hey, he did it this time.
He did it without landing on his face! Yay!
Yeah. You did it. Yeah, you did it.
Bill. Bill.
He got him going
Did
again.
you see that? He didn't go down. He walked from
Oh,
that
you're
to
right.
me.
He kind of
took
did,
like
didn't
one
he?
You'd be
step.
stupid about to try a stunt like this.
Shit.
Messing around with people's lives. You ought to be horsewhipped. First you, and then you again.
Oh,
Bob, I only did it
that's
for your own
hilarious.
good.
He's like, he just likes to go back and
That's
forth.
right, and when you're unhappy,
Jeez.
I'm unhappy. After all, Bob, oh no, you're not going to start again with that life-saving bit. Well, I told you, I don't expect any gratitude. I'm not even sure you saved my life. Sometimes I wish the wall had fallen on me. Don't say that. You, her own sister. How could you do such a thing? Yeah, we wanted another hen to leave the rooster, that the little chick. So I guess we laid an egg. Hey, brother, you laid a Vermont volleyball. I'm going to New York and trying to square it with Betty. You ought to consider yourself plenty lucky. You might have been stuck with this weird whole life. Oh, Julie! Leave the kid alone. You probably been through enough already. Now, listen, I don't understand one thing. Oh, you mix things up good. Look, if you can get one simple thing straight. Okay, the general order is to your health, right? Coming on about 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. You tell Emma about it. The big thing. Don't let me go anywhere near that television set. You get me? Don't worry, Bob. I'll keep away from that television set if I have to break my arm. Break your arm, your ankle, or your necklace. Anything valuable. Okay, Bob, you take it on me. Good evening to us.
Where are you?
I think you have to go over here.
Oh, there's
Alice. I'm expecting Annie Harrison, too.
Nice.
Yes, honey. Let's not do the number we rehearsed this afternoon. Play Blue Skies, anything.
But the number sounded great at rehearsal, baby.
I know, babe, but I just,
Oh, it's a wonderful number, honey. Come on, let's do it. Please do.